I created a bubble sort algorithm in C language, and today I will teach you how to create one too. First, let's get to know how bubble sort works. This method works by examining each set of adjacent elements in the array from left to right, switching their positions if they are out of order. To create a bubble sort, first you need to create a dynamic array with user input as elements. Then you have to create a for loop for passing the sorting algorithm till the array is sorted. Then within that for loop create a nested for loop to read array element by element. After that you have to create a if statement to check if elements are in correct order. If not, it would swap the elements in the array. Finally print the sorted array on display. Check out description for source code. Also don't forget to leave a like and follow this page for more interesting videos like this.